Hello everyone, my name is Jitendra Bhafna. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to create a Salesforce flow. So in today's demo, we're going to take a screen flow where we will provide the screen to user where he can put the account information, and once he just submit that account information, it will going to create a record in the account object. Okay, so let's get started. So I will log in into my salesforce.com, login.salesforce.com, and then like you can click on this settings button, then you can go to setup. Okay, and just search for flow here. Okay. So here you can see, you will navigate it to the flow screen where you see the multiple option, flow, trigger, explorer, and new flow. I will click on new flow. So once you click on new flow, it will provide three options. Like you can use the instant to build your flow. You can start from the scratch, and you can use any pre-existing template. In our case, we'll just go with the start from scratch. And here it will give type of flow which you can use: the screen flow, schedule trigger flow, auto launch flow, record trigger, platform event, record triggered orchestration. So there are multiple other options. Like there are some predefined flows also, but in our case, we want to provide the screen to the user, so user can enter the detail. As soon as we submit the detail, it should create the record in the account object, right? So I will just say screen flow create. Okay, let me do one more thing. Let me navigate to the account object also. Okay, let me do one thing. So I want to provide the account name. Okay, I want to provide the account name and industry type, and the industry type is my drop down, and I want to read, I want this particular industry type, right? So and like users should able to select any one of this industry type on the screen flow. Let's do that. Let's go to the screen flow again. So this is my screen flow. The first thing I will choose for the screen, so I will use the screen component. So you can click on plus sign, right, and just choose the screen component. Once you click on the screen component, the first thing I will search for the text box where user can enter the account name. I will just drag and drop a text box. Okay, let me delete it, something went wrong. Let me drag and drop the text box again. Yeah, so here I will just say name. Okay, that's it. I don't want to do anything else, so I can just put the required validations. The next thing, I have to select the industry, right? In this case, the industry should be the pick list, right? So let me search for pick list component here. Just drag and drop pick list component here, and this pick list should populate the value from the account pick list, right? So whatever values available in the pick list, right, it should be showcased those value to the user, nothing else, like no other values. So I just create a pick list. So I will just say industry. Okay, and here what you have to do, I will just say require. Correct. Here you can select the data type or disable whatever, but I want to create a choices. So I have to bring those choices from the account object, right? Or simply I can say add choice, right? Wait, delete. Sorry, I click on this search button. Say new choice resource, right? Here you can select something called pick list is there, record choice list is there. So let me search pick list choice. Okay, and here I will select the object type. The first thing you have to select the object type as an account. Okay, and you need to select the data type, which is pick list, and from which value, which field, like you need to retry, we need to get all the choices. So the field name is nothing, industry, right? And you can also give industry. I will just say industry choice. So object is account. Okay, and pick list, and the field is industry, right, in the account object. So I want to retrieve, or I want to show the pick list from the industry field in the account object. Okay, just say done. Okay, so that's what you have to do. Now just say done. You have two errors to fix. Let me show that. You have to provide the name to this particular screen. So I will just say account creation. Okay, API name will be automatically populated. Just say done. Now you have done it. Now the next step, now you are collected the data from the screen. Now you want to create account in the account object, right? So I will just click on this plus signs, and here we have a lot of components: create record, update record, get record, delete record. In our case, it's a create record. I will click on the create record. I will just say create. I will just give a label name as a create account records. I can put some description also if you want. It's not mandatory. Then how you want to set up from record to variable. So I will just use the manually option. Once you select the manual option, it will say object type. So in which object we have to create, or we have to add the data, which is known as a account object. Now the first thing, uh, we need to map the fields basically. So here we have to just search for the field in the account object. So I have to search for the name first. So this is nothing like account name. And now I want to map with the account name which I have collected from the screen. So here we have account creation screen, right? So here you can see account creation account. Click on account creation and just select as a name. That's it, right? Now the second thing, I have to map the industry, right? I just say industry. Now again, I have to collect the industry from the screen field, right? Let's search if there's a screen fields. Yeah. So account creation is my screen and industry is my field, right? So that's it. And now you can save it and just say account creation flow. Just save it. Okay. So now you can debug it. Yeah, you can just select these options, just say run, and you can just say mule, or just say demo ag agriculture company. Okay, and here it will populate all the fields, right? All the choices from the account object, which is mapped to the industry field in the account object, right? So just click on agriculture, just say next. So if everything is good, it would have created the account. So here you can see the in debug. So like interview started, then any record, then here you can see account creation, right? Text box name, drop down industry. Now create record. It called a create record, right? In that create record, you can see the record has been added successfully. We got the ID also. Copy this ID. Okay, just search it. Anything is created. Not in recently. We may have to. Yeah, you can see the demo agriculture company, which is created just now, right? So you can see that. Let's see what industry is there. So agriculture is the industries, right? Let me put it here also to make sure, like if the account is correctly created. So here you can see the demo agriculture company, right? So that is how you can use the screen flow, screen flow to create accounts, or like allow user to create any accounts or to provide any details, right? So that is one of the advantage of the screen flow. So basically, if you like this video, please click on like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. And also, like in case if you want to use this flow, right, you can just activate it. Okay. So thank you so much. Have a nice day.